Look at you, Mango, just chilling with your ball.
Chirp, chirp.
Yeah, I get it. Oh, good catch.
Woo!
You're showing off now.
Ha-ha. Chicka, chick.
Okay, cuddle time. Rest up, buddy. What are you doing up there, Kiwi? Trying to steal the picture? Sunny's watching you. Squeep! Oh, he got it. Chirp, chirp. Sunny, are you gonna help? Look at that teamwork.
What are you doing, Kiwi? You figured out the wheel? Oh, you're riding it. Squat. Careful, circus bird. You are too funny.
Milo wants to say hi, Rio.
Hello!
Gentle buddy. Oh, he got you. You two are ridiculous.
Pretty bird!
Aww.
Oh, there he goes.
Look at him swing
That's your loofah, Kiwi.
it. Get it, buddy.
Whoa, big show off.
He loves it.
Ready, Kiwi?
He's checking it out. Whoa!
Look at that balance.
Easy, buddy.
He's surfing.
You're a pro now, huh?
Hey, what are you doing? No way. Oh, he went all the way in. Where'd you go, little guy? That is too funny.
You like that, huh? Oh, look at those wings. Ha! Ha! You're not supposed to drink it, silly. Okay, one more miss. Silly bird. You want scratches? There we go. Oh, that feel good? You're a goofball.
What are you doing, silly bird?
He loves that ride.
Oh my gosh, he's upside down again. Hi, buddy.
Gizmo. Hi, chicken guy. Squawk.
Gizmo.
Okay. Gizmo. Come on, make me. Ooh.
Gizmo Gray.
He's so into it.
That's your orange now, Mango.
Did you hear that little slurp?
Tangy.
Look at him go. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, there he goes.
You just tossed that, buddy.
Silly bird.
He even looks proud of himself.
What's that, Pico?
He's dancing back at you. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was a good one.
Look at you, co-pilot. Squawk. You steering for us? He's so serious.
He thinks he's driving. Why are you shouting at me?
He's taking a full-on shower again. You are making a puddle, buddy. Good boy, Mango. All clean and handsome.
Look at him go.
He's trying to undo the knot.
You got that right, buddy. Oh, he got it.
That was fast. He said it.
Look at him go.
Toy doesn't stand a chance.
You're so silly.
Whoa, look at him go. He's having his own little party.
What do you think, Kiwi?
He's not impressed.
All right, buddy, we'll see you.
Let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp. Oh, no great.
Oh, look at those wings. You showing off?
Go for it, little
You
guy.
want to step up? Here's my finger. Come on.
He's thinking about it.
Good job. That's brave.
There he goes.
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's so serious.
You driving, buddy?
Keep it straight, pal. Eyes on the road, mister.
You love that, huh? Tickle, tickle. Oh, you grabbed the brush, silly bird. There you go. Just relax. Big yawn. Sleepy boy. Yeah, that's good stuff, huh? Oh my goodness, look at that. Kiwi's making waves.
And Sky's turning it into a storm back there. You two are wild.
Splish splash. Good bird back.
Whoa, big shake. Huh. You're so happy.
Who's that handsome bird, huh?
He thinks it's another one of him.
Oh my God.
He keeps saying
That
hi.
crest is all the way up. He's showing off.
Hey, Sunny. Oh, that feels good, huh? Hello? You show off. Be gentle. You're the sweetest.
He thinks it's real. It's just wood, buddy.
That's so funny.
No one's answering you, friend.
Milo, be nice.
Uh-oh, here comes.
Kiki's not backing down at all.
Look at that stare.
He's like, okay, maybe not.
Oh my gosh, look
He's
at
out in the shower.
him. Woo! That's a power shake, buddy.
You're making a puddle, Mango.
Drying off, big guy?
Squawk. Good boy.
Oh, you found the sweet spot, didn't you, Mango? Juicy, huh? You're making a mess. Chirp. Watermelon must be your favorite now. Squawk.
Look at him. He's holding it like a little hand.
He knows what he's doing.
Oh, buddy, you got a fruity mustache.
Here you go, buddy. Nice and easy. You dropped it already? Try again. Good boy. Cheeky little thing.
Oh my goodness, look at him go. He is having the best
That's the
time.
happiest bird ever. Shake it out, buddy.
Did you hear him? He said, woo.
Fresh and fancy now.
Oh, here we go. You two gossiping back there? That's better.
Kids, you want to go live? Let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp. Oh.
Look at that. Go on, put it in.
Clink.
Yes. Good job,
Thinking
buddy.
about it.
No. You don't fit in there.
Honey
Ha,
gold.
careful.
He's not giving up.
Go, Mango.
Get it, buddy. You're grooving. He's dancing. Encore, please. Encore.
What are you watching, buddy? The Laundry Channel? Oh my gosh, he's watching.
He thinks it's a movie.
Wow.
What are you checking out, little guy? What? Oh my goodness, he's going in. He's disappearing. Is that comfy, buddy? I think he's moving.
Look at him go.
He really loves it.
Oh, I got a mustache. Hungry little guy.
All done?
You like that, buddy? Feels good?
He's melting. Look at his eyes.
Spa day, huh?
Get it, buddy. Beep. Oh, strong beak. You want it? Beep. Pull, pull, pull. Squawk. You win. Look at you showing it off. Creep.
Look at him go. Are you doing yoga, buddy?
Silly bird. That string is getting a workout. Oh my gosh, he's dancing again.
Look at those moves.
You've got rhythm, buddy.
Go, Pico, go.
That's a pro right there.
And a bow for the crowd. What are you doing in there, Pico?
Got yourself a little cave, huh? Oh, here he comes. Peek-a-boop.
Get it, Kiwi. You can reach it. Whoa, he almost got you. Nice pull. Good boy.
He's at it again. Look at those little beak kisses.
It's like a spa day for him.
He loves it. Oh my gosh. That face says don't stop.
So I brought this gorgeous little arsehole the other day, and at the minute it has no name. So I am turning to you for help. I don't want it to be no typical bird's name. It has to be something original, like feet, bacon, knob jockey. I don't know. Please help me name this little beautiful bastard. Kiss, kiss. And if anyone sees Shrek, tell him I have his pee-pee.
Look what I got. Chirp. You want it?
Get it. Squee! Oh, you're so fast. Chirp. Gotcha. Almost. Good bird.
You enjoying that corn pepper?
Yum yum.
Oh my
He's so
god.
focused.
Hi there. He gets his log.
Get it, buddy. Look at that balance. He's so strong.